tried this bread. It is so freaking good. How you doing down there? Last one.
12.79. 1.69.
Literally in a pouring sweat. We just had to do that because a lot of stuff apparently was out of stock at Walmart, so they left off like half of our groceries. Not half, but like some essential necessities. Like, and also I've started coughing. Once I start coughing, I cough for like 3 months straight, I feel like, sick or not. So love that for me. I look like I've been put through the ringer, and I can tell I'm getting sick. Ooh. Love you guys. Bye.